Hi children, I am K.Hemalatha from G.K.Jain School Science teacher. Today I am going to take a class for a 4th standard. The subject science and the topic is water. You all see in the water. Day to day you are using the water. What are the uses of water? The water only for drinking? No, it was used in the so many purpose. Morning itself you wake up here to brush your teeth and taking a bath. Your mummy using the water for cooking. So many purpose water is using. So now I am going to say what are the states of matter? You already learned no 3 states of matter. What are they? Solid, liquid and gas. The same thing in one content, the water. The water occurs naturally in the 3 forms. What are the 3 forms of state I say? Solid, liquid and gas. These 3 forms are joined together and water will be formed. So the water in the 3 forms naturally. These forms also called as the states of water. You already learned states of matter. In this topic, I am going to teach states of water. Water is come to the 3 states. Solid state, liquid state and gaseous state. These 3 states occurs in the water. So, water is called as the 3 states of water. You can understand no? What the name is coming from that? The water forms in the 3 states. So, it's called as a 3 states of water. Size. Ice you know no? You all know like the ice. If you pour the water in here, whatever thing, you keep it near a refrigerator, in few minutes it form as ice. It will be solid. So, the ice come as a solid state. The same water only. The same ice is it. You keep it in the outside. For a few seconds or few minutes, according to room temperature, it will be melt. Melt means what will happen? Yes, water will be formed. The ice is melt and form as a water as a liquid. So what state is coming there? Liquid state. The same water, you boil it. What happened? A vapor. What vapor? Water vapor will comes. So that vapor is called as a gaseous state. Understand that? How the 3 states of waters are formed? Solid, liquid and gas. The 3 states occurs naturally. It depends upon the temperature changes. Water becomes as ice in the polar regions. So many seas and oceans, rivers, the freezing will be the upper surface. So it comes at the solid state and become to the water vapor due to the heat of sun. In the summer I say so much of rays falls on the lake, ocean at all. It will be evaporate. So it will be evaporate means what happens? The state will be formed. So solid state into liquid state into gaseous state. Some important things I am going to teach you. Solid state. Solid state means what I told? Water cools. When water cools below the 0 degree Celsius, it becomes as a ice. That is called as a freezing. What I am saying that? Freezing means how it will freezing. How it freezing means we are pouring the water according to the room temperature will be a temperature. The water will be little bit warm. When it comes to the temperature 0 degree Celsius, then the water is converted into a ice. That state is called as a solid state. That is known as a freezing. Suppose you are asking, write the answer for the freezing. What is freezing? You have to say ice is a solid form of water. At temperature below 0 degree Celsius, the water becomes ice. This process is known as freezing. Understand that? What I am saying? Yes. Ice is the solid state of water. At temperature below, what temperature? Below 0 degree Celsius, the water becomes as a ice. That process is called as a freezing. Understand that? Next we pass on to the melting. Everything is melting. The summer since we all eat ice creams, no? What your parents said? Eat fast, it will be melt. Why it is melting? Due to the temperature, the water becomes a water vapor as the temperature increase. Due to this heat, heating forms the melt. So water or whatever things it heated up to the 0 degree or 100 degree Celsius, it becomes as a water vapor. Suppose you check it in the home, where are boiling the water. You keep it in the stove itself, the water vapor coming. Tomorrow you go on the see in the kitchen and notice what is happening. Take a little bit time, then only the vapor is coming. What little bit time? The temperature will be increased. The room temperature will be at 38 or 46, whatever temperature. When it comes the 100 degrees Celsius, then only the vapor will comes. Suppose you are taking a bath, you will put hot water. No, you ask the children, so ask the hot water. No, if you keep the vessels and pour the water, it takes a 10 minutes or 5 minutes to boil. When the steam is coming means that time you find it, the water becomes 100 degrees Celsius, then the water vapor will be formed. Understand the children? These are the 3 states of water. Children, now we are going to teach about water cycle. In nature, water changes in states. I don't know, solid state, liquid state and a gaseous state. Now I am going to teach due to the heat of sun rays in the water, water in the oceans or sea change into water vapor and rise up. The water becomes as water vapor or heating is called as evaporations. The 3 processes only involved in the water cycle. What are the processes? Evaporation, condensation and precipitations. Evaporation means what? Water becomes water vapor on heating is called as evaporation. Evaporation means what? Heating of the water is called as evaporation. Water vapor when becomes into contact with cool air. When the water vapors goes up, it connect in the cool air in the atmosphere. It becomes as a water droplets, small water droplets. This is called as a condensation. What is known by condensation? The evaporation of water comes in contact with cool air, become as a water droplet. This is known as a condensations. This happens in the second stage. The water droplets combine to form as a clouds. We will see in the rain season so many clouds will join form. That is, the water droplet contains in the rain. That fall as a rain is called as a precipitation. These are the 3 states in the water cycle. What is the evaporation, condensation and precipitation? Just I show it in the pictures here. This is the water. Water will be a sea, ocean, lake, whatever things. Due to the sun rays, the water will be evaporate. That process is called as a evaporations. The water will be evaporate. In the atmosphere having the cooling temperature, it will react in form as a condensation. The cloud will be formed in the sky. When it is cool, it falls as a rain. Again it comes to the ground. That stage is called as a precipitation. These are the process in the water cycle. The continuous cycle through which water is circulated due to the different seasons and precipitations. These 3 processes only involved in the water cycle. You can understand this lesson now, children. Thank you.